Hey everyone, today I am in my dad's workshop because I need to make a couple models. It's just under 2 weeks to my deadline of my final project of my first year of uni, and I'm here not only because I get to use more advanced tools, but also because, as you can see, he's a framer and I got loads of mount boards to work with because these are all leftovers and I love to use these for my model. They're thick enough to be sturdy, and you can glue them easily with super glue. You can click on the link below to get some of these. They're cheaper than the usual hobbycraft art shop because they're leftovers, but also normally shops don't sell the free sheets like these. They only sell ready-made mount boards for picture frames, but yeah, so it's almost like these bits are leftovers from the inside, which is most of the material, so let's help the planet. So I already made this one, which is a model of the existing site. We are working on a complex of studios in Hackney in London. This is the unit we're going to be working on. This is the existing site, so I'm going to make another one with my proposal. And yeah, so if you're here, it's probably because you have some models to make too. So let's grab some materials and get modeling. I made little people as well. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, I need to show you. Isn't this adorable? Oh my god, I am obsessed. I'm also selling these in my Etsy shop. I made them with my Cricut. I'm gonna be using it today. Like always, I have no idea what I'm doing. But first, let's cut some walls. So some of the pieces I cut twice, so I'm going to glue them together because the walls on the plan are slightly thicker, otherwise the measurements won't match when you start putting the walls together.